Hello and welcome to the channel. Today for this video I am pitching two 3D printers against each other to print the same object. Both printers are very much different. In fact, they're almost opposite technology, and let's see how they're doing and let's see which one finishes first. The object that we're printing is this hard disk mount. It's a fairly large piece. It is pretty hard to print because it will produce warping, it will get off the build platform, and it is generally rather hard to print for a printer, and it takes a long time. The two printers that I will be showing will be the Malyan M180 and my own Rob Plus design, and let's see how they're doing. The Malyan M180 got a head start of about 20 minutes until I had the second printer set up. It is printing with very good quality. It is going not quite as fast as it could, but very close to that. As you can see, the surfaces are still very nice, and the print stays down on the print bed. There's no sign of warping or of it losing contact to the build platform. The Rob Plus, which is a more simple printer design, which has a moving XY axis and is built with as little parts as possible, it has been keeping the pace. It has caught up to the Malyan printer. The print quality doesn't look quite as good, but I'm basically pushing this printer quite a bit further than its limits, but it's doing fine so far. Also, there's no warping, the printers stay down, and the lines look very good. There's a little bit of oozing and smudging, but that is to be expected at that high speed and with the nozzle running a little bit hotter than it would usually. Now, the Rob Plus has just finished printing. After about 1 hour and 10 minutes, the print result looks very nice, and I'm surprised that it was faster than the Malyan. As you can see, the Malyan is still printing, although its print looks a little bit better. It was actually overtaken by the much simpler printer, which is kind of a surprise, but it looks like the Malyan is also done right now. The complete print time was 1 hour and 29 minutes, which means that the smaller Rob Plus actually won by 15 minutes. Interesting. So let's compare the results of these two prints. Here we have the print result from the Malyan, which has a very nice surface, very nice lines. It's gotta focus. This looks very good. There's some unevenness right here. But apart from that, looks very nice, very clean. This is the result from the Rod Plus. It's a little bit more rugged. There's more vibration in the extruder, but this is due to the build. The overhang here looks a little bit better. Again, more vibration in the surface. A little bit of oozing at the edges, but nothing to be really ashamed of. So in fact, the print from the Malyan looks a little nicer, but the Rod Plus was a little faster, and well, was quite a bit faster in fact. Whoops. And when it's going slower, its quality will improve significantly. So this was a very nice experiment. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye bye.